What makes you, you? Right now, you're aware. You can think. You can feel. You can question your own existence. But here's the shocking truth. Science still doesn't know why consciousness exists at all. We can explain stars, black holes, and the origin of the universe. Yet the thing closest to us, the human mind, remains one of the greatest mysteries ever. So today, we ask a simple question with an impossible answer. What is consciousness? Consciousness is your subjective experience of reality. It's the feeling of being alive, the voice in your head, the sense that you exist right now. Science can describe what the brain does, but consciousness is about what it feels like. A computer can process information, but it doesn't experience anything. You do. And that difference is the core of the mystery. The human brain contains about 86 billion neurons. Each neuron sends electrical and chemical signals, forming massive networks. Thoughts, memories, emotions, all seem to emerge from this activity. When parts of the brain are damaged, consciousness changes. When brain activity stops, consciousness disappears. This strongly suggests that consciousness comes from the brain. But here's the problem. No matter how deeply we study neurons, we never find experience itself. Only signals, only chemistry, only electricity. So where does awareness come from? Philosopher David Chalmers called this the hard problem of consciousness. Science can explain how we see, how we hear, how we react, but it cannot explain why these processes feel like something. Why does light hitting your eyes create the experience of color? Why does sound create the experience of music? There is nothing in physics that says atoms should feel anything at all. Yet, they do. At least when arranged as you. Some scientists argue that consciousness is, well, an illusion. They say the brain creates the feeling of a self, even though no true self actually exists. According to this view, you are basically a biological machine. Awareness, in this sense, is just a useful trick. The so-called inner observer is not real, but here's the paradox. An illusion, by definition, must be experienced by something. So if consciousness is an illusion, who or what is being fooled? Another radical idea is that consciousness is actually fundamental, like space, time, or energy. This idea is called panpsychism. It suggests that even particles may have tiny forms of experience. Consciousness, in this view, doesn't emerge from matter. Instead, matter and consciousness exist together. This sounds strange, I know, but so did relativity and quantum mechanics at first. Maybe the universe isn't just made of matter. Maybe it's also made of experience. Are your choices truly yours? Experiments show that the brain often makes decisions before you are even aware of them. Does that mean free will is just an illusion? Or does consciousness play a deeper role, guiding, observing, and shaping decisions in ways we don't yet fully understand? Once again, science has data, but no final answer. So what is consciousness? Is it a product of the brain? An illusion created by evolution? A fundamental part of reality? Or perhaps something we just don't yet have the tools to understand? One thing is certain. Without consciousness, the universe would be silent, dark, and meaningless. Yet through it, the universe becomes aware of itself, and that, honestly, may be the greatest mystery of all.